Welcome to day 8. Today I'll be making a custom holiday throw pillow. You need some solid colored material, iron-on material, your sewing machine, polyfil, your design, cutting machine, and cutting tools. I folded my fabric with the right size together and cut out a square that was 15 by 15. Sew around the edges with a 5/8 seam, leaving about a 3-inch opening to stuff the pillow later. I made my design and used my Cricut to cut it out. Turn the pillow right side out and iron on the design per the directions. Stuff the pillow and hand stitch the opening closed. Display in your home and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.